Hey, what's up everyone? Wally here, and DaVinci Resolve just hit version 18.6, bringing some new features and improvements. It's not a massive update like the previous one, but still some cool stuff to talk about. So to get the update, you can either go to the Blackmagic website or open up your current DaVinci Resolve. Head to the top left, click on DaVinci Resolve and check for updates. If you're due for one, you'll be able to download and install it right from there. Now let's get started on what's new in 18.6. The standout feature here is Blackmagic Cloud Storage. It's been around for a bit, but now it's more integrated into Resolve. This means you can store your project in the cloud and access them from any system connected to the internet. It's really a game changer, especially if you're someone like me, because I switch on devices very often and to get project from here to there becomes a big hassle. The price for cloud storage is a bit weird though. You can get 2 GBs for free, but if you need more, there's a few more options. For $15 per month, you can get 500 GBs of data. And if you need more, there's a 2 TB option as well for $60 a month. A middle ground option around 1 TB for $30 would have been a lot nicer. If the developers are listening, hey, please add this feature. So to set up the cloud storage, head over to cloud.blackmagicdesign.com. Sign in for a Blackmagic Cloud account, configure storage needs, and you're good to go. To start a new project, you notice a new splash screen. Here's your name and your project. Choose a location for the project media and decide on the sharing options. You can even sync media and proxies to manage your cloud storage efficiently. How cool is that? Moving on, they've added the ability to assign and apply keywords to clips and markers. This is a feature many Final Cut users have been asking for a long while. Although the process is still a bit clunky at the moment, it's a step in the right direction, I guess. Another long-awaited feature, the GIF support, is now in Resolve. You can now import GIFs directly into DaVinci Resolve. Just drag and drop and you're ready to go. However, they currently play through once and don't loop. Titles and subtitles also got some attention. Now you can add an outer text to the titles and change the case of the subtitles. It might seem small, but these quality of life improvements really add up. Workflow wise, applying an effect to a clip now automatically takes you to the effect tab within the inspector, saving a couple of clicks. The playhead position is now restored when undoing edit actions. Subtle but appreciated improvement. Real-time curves got a tweak. Now you can access both real-time speed and real-time frame curves simultaneously. This gives you more flexibility in managing your footage. On the audio front, there's now support for target audio loudness standards on the render settings. This can be set up in the delivery page under the audio tab. They've also added the ability to import and export render presets, which was a long-awaited feature. This is great for maintaining consistency in your renders or sharing settings with others. Fusion has seen some updates too. They've added support for Fusion USD scenes with materials and volumes. Additionally, now you can extrude and bevel 3D shapes, allowing for more creative possibilities, especially for logo animations. Performance-wise, there's now support for Apple logo video formats within DaVinci Resolve. They've also improved the neural engine performance with up to 2 times faster performance with ray tracing, Tensor, NVIDIA cores. To sum it up, DaVinci Resolve 18.6 brings a mix of new features and quality of life improvements. It's not a revolutionary update, but it's a step forward in making the editing experience more smoother and more efficient. I'll be diving in deeper in some of these features in a separate video, so make sure to stay tuned. And for that, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.